Today I bring our is HUAYEE is yellow color for the dealer. This model. This strong model also always strong power from excavator. I want one by one to introduce this machine, the detail from the bucket. This bucket uses a strong bucket. This for the construction bucket. They have 3 teeth. I have side 2 teeth. Also, this pin uses a heavy pin. The strong long hydraulic sham. Also, this boom is strong boom. This machine don't have the quick hitch, but we have the pipe. Also have the grab pipe. You can also have a wire when you want to fitting the hydraulic quick hitch, or you can fitting the grab. The grab can turn in. You can fit in like this because here have the spare hydraulic pipe. Also here have the wire, so you can make the quick hitch, the hydraulic quick hitch. Also have the grab making. So all the cylinder will give the protected cover because it's for the construction work. Like this light also gives strong product. All the cylinder give the cover. As usual, this all pipe we use the Continental brand, the hydraulic pipe. It's international brand. So all the cylinder give the strong cylinder. This heavy cylinder. This HUAYEE also have the boom swing. This heavy lock. You see here and here is heavy steel. Also all can add the grease. Inside all have the bush, not the plate by plate. Inside all have bush. After the 1 year, 2 year work, you can change the bush. Also is do the plate because this machine is chain, it's extension chain. Sometimes you inside the building or the stay in the project, so we can open this door to adjust. Sometimes if you will go the big project, we can fit in back easily. Also the chain can make the higher. This door also have the 1 cylinder. We also give the stronger cover because some time you push, maybe they have snow or sand. They protect the hydraulic pipe and the cylinder. All the cylinder we have the grease nipple. You can add the grease. Also the pipe gives the spring product. All the bush we all have the like this. We all have the product grease nipple. This have the strong canopy. So this canopy is like elephant. Stronger, they have the 4 legs. They protect the operator safety. Also this machine is full pedal control. The back side also have the strong door. This machine uses Kubota D1105, the engine. The strong engine, the 3 cylinder. Also this hydraulic system is piston hydraulic pump, so they can following what you operation fast or low, they will following the system. They give support anytime, so they can adjust by themselves. This side is hydraulic pump. It's piston hydraulic pump by LS control. So upside is exhaust pipe. We all have the cover. Also this weight count is real weight count. It's heavy real count. This diesel engine, we also have the radiator. Radiator is half side for the water for the engine coolant, half is for hydraulic system. So system will be not get the hot. When you want to change the coolant or sometimes you want to change the coolant, we need to open these 2 cover. Change you can fill in the coolant. So be careful when the engine hot, do not open here. Here is for hydraulic tank. Here for the checking hydraulic lever, the window. You can check how many hydraulic you have. Not over here, not low here is okay. Here have the, when you want to change the hydraulic, we need to be full every time. We need to release the pressure like here. Also this side, front side for the fuel tank. Fuel tank here is for the diesel. So here have the sensor. For the display, you can see this machine have how many liter the diesel. This SHY27, we have the switch pedal, light. We have the 2-speed. Also have the chain extension. Also, we have the quick hitch switch. We also the joystick we have for the if you fit in the grab. They also have the switch. So we have the cups holder. Also have the mobile holder. This like the window because we can fit in the brake. Sometimes they can, if you big store, they protect the operation. If you're working with forest, if the tree get down, they will protect the operator. This machine also have the horn. This all when working, this all two sides have the armrest. You can, when all working some long time, we can get the armrest. With this machine also have the display. We can from the display know many information, like this fuel have how many lever, this machine how many hour running, also have the temperature. Also you can know the date. Also you will know that. Also you will know the engine RPM. So RPM. Also you will know the battery charging, or the pressure is normal. This is a powerful machine. I will show you this machine operation is fast, also comfortable. Let's see this machine performance. Also have a safety switch. Engine like 1000 RPM, this easily to support this machine get up. This very easily. Also, two-set chain is working also perfect. They can working perfect. Perfect machine. Oh, also it's powerful.